Which of the following phases requires maximum effort? The four options are design, coding and testing, requirement analysis and specification, and the maintenance phase. And the answer is the maintenance phase because it requires the maximum effort. A maintenance of a typical software product requires much more effort than the effort necessary to develop the product, because the maintenance phase lasts as long as the software is being used in the market by the user. Many studies carried out in the past confirms this and indicates that the relative effort of development of a typical software product to its maintenance effort is roughly 40 to 60 in ratio. As we can see in the chart, the maintenance phase requires much more effort compared to the other four phases. The amount of maintenance depends on how much long the software is being used in the market. The proportion of effort on maintenance will be higher for long-lasting softwares such as the operating system, while the proportion of maintenance effort will be low for softwares that are used for just a few years.